Right? Oh, look at the slide over there, puppy. See it? Oh, look at that one right there. Oh, but they look like they're burn you. Right?
Mom, you didn't bring the sun.
I know, se me olvidó, mamás.
Now we're trying to go to the water.
Huh?
Only trying to go to the water, only the slides in the big.
Oh, you guys gotta ride your bikes. Right? Look at me. Wow.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys haven't been subscribed, please make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and don't forget to hit the little bell button so you guys can be notified every time we post a new video. So today we came to a park. Look, I está gordo and your dad. We came because my boo wanted to fish, so we're gonna see if we could catch a fish. And then later on, my kids want to play with the ball. We brought a football, so I'll be showing you guys what we're doing here today. Finger crossed we get a fish. Oh my god, you guys, look what I found. I found some ducks. Look how white they are. Oh, and there's a beige one. Mira, los patitos. White blancos, cafecitos. Ay, me quiero acercar, pero se van a ir. Oh. Look, you guys, I'm going to show you guys around. Alright, dito papi que te lo tire, because then you guys are gonna, don't get too close junto al agua, gorda, because then you could fall. Get behind daddy. You too, gordo, get behind daddy. Go. Tell daddy to throw it away for you. Oh, you can see the fishies? Okay, I'm gonna go see. Alright, let me see the fishies. Okay, stay on this side. Don't get too close. Where's the fishies?
I see a fishy.
Oh, está chiquito.
I don't know where mine is at. Figure out where mine is at.
Huh?
Where'd he go?
Let me see, show me. You're fishing? Where?
You know those slide thingies, but they're like slides, but they're bigger?
Yeah. What are you gonna do once you feel the fishy? Or it's pulling you? You gonna yell at that? You're gonna call daddy?
No.
Roll it up?
Huh?
Let go.
So you have to grab it.
Look, they're all messing with it. Oh, they don't like it. Look. Ooh. Pick it up a little. Pick it up a little. So they can follow it. No, the weenie. Jálale esta cosa. Bring it up. This one. Bring it up. Bring it. Go. Bring it up. And they're going to follow the weenie. Throw the weenie más para allá. Así. No, así no. Así. And then throw it right here and they're going to follow it. Look. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Let them follow it. Look, gordo.
Okay, let's get in
Look,
the
ready?
water, Mom.
And then look.
Why they're not grabbing it?
Look. Oh, look. O tíraselos para que se lo estén comiendo. I don't know. They're like scared of it. No, they're like, lo muerden.
Mommy.
What?
Look. I can't pull my dad.
Huh?
Look, it's hard.
Oh, bring it up. Is it hard?
Look, do this.
No, what?
Bathroom.
Yes, we're gonna go to the bathroom.
It's all the way over there. Ah!
You gotta go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Look how dark my daughter's getting. And yeah, like me, I always forget to get sunscreen. But, oh well. You just pick up your arm so you don't get a farmer's tag. Oh, farmer's tag. Farmer's tan. Look. Ahí está my babies. Trying to catch a fish. And this little princess over here always has to go to the restroom. So where are we going? To the restroom. Doing a little walk right here, me and Nadine, and it is super hot, you guys. Right, mamas? Look, you're getting all dark. Pick up these so you don't get an ugly tan. Like mommy, I put them up. But yeah, you guys, it's super hot today. We still haven't got a fishy yet. But we're still trying. Oh, I thought a little bee.
See? Not Nadine. This you drink it. You can't take it and like here, only the slice.
Pull it back.
Bee! Pull it, puppy. Hold it. Oh. No, like this. Oh, here.
I see it, Mommy. Yeah.
Yay! It's a catfish, right? Bee, that's a huge one. No, está conectado con el otro. Touch it.
Go bring me the scissors for the end.
No lo sueltes. Here, let me get close. Wait, no, don't.
Daddy.
So there is fishes.
Make sure that one doesn't fall. So you need to watch yours.
You felt it right away? I can't tell because cuando yo le jalo, it looks like mira gorda. I feel like it's the. Are you gonna throw it back? Hey, don't throw it.
Daddy.
Bring this other one.
Mommy.
What? Daddy got a fish. Digo que no se acerque la comida.
Mommy,
What?
hold it. Mom, hold it. That's why you do, Daddy.
So you can hold it, fool.
Hold it, puppy. Ew, Daddy's touching it. Touch it, puppy. Where did it get hooked? Oh, se lo vas a quitar.
Oh, it looks like so soft.
Mira, puppy, his mouth got stuck. Oh, you imagine the pain he's going through you doing that. Get the puppy.
His hand got stuck.
Okay, that's another puppy.
Hey, Daddy.
Why isn't it flopping?
It's so gross.
Nomás lo vas a tirar over here?
What out? You don't want it?
Hold it, Nomás.
Take a picture over here.
Hurry, so you can take a picture. He's not gonna bite you.
Okay, go to.
Daddy, why are you so scared?
Hold
Oh, look, you guys, he's breathing. Look on the sides.
I know he's breathing.
Ready? Let's see how fast he. And he left. What do you wanna do again?
I wanna go home because I'm sweaty and red and I don't like this in place. I thought it was gonna be.
She wants to go home because it's hot and she's sweating and she doesn't like just waiting here for a fish to be caught. You guys, it's super hot here, but with the wind, it feels so fresh if you're in the shade. As you guys can see, we finally got a fish. We're finally home, and we stopped by and grabbed some In-N-Out. You guys hungry?
Uh-huh.
So hungry, so we about to grub. Hey guys, we finally just finished eating food. We got home from the park. Oh my god, it was super hot, but when you're in the shade and like the wind is blowing, it was good. But oh my god, it was cool that we caught a fish. But I wanted to show you guys what I got my boo for Father's Day. Alright guys, so I got him in our money exchange. So this is what I got him. Watch. Sorry, I'm only using one hand. This is what I got him, guys. It's a watch. Super nice, huh? And I got him a bracelet. This is our money exchange. So nice. Sorry if I'm talking quiet, you guys, because I'm doing this without him knowing. Has the plastic thing so you can't really tell good. It's super nice. So this is one of the items. I also got him these wireless headphones when he's like washing the car or just wanting to listen to music. To be comfy with these wireless phones, because the other ones, they like hurt your ears, but hey, like that, I can use them sometimes. So my daughter did this happy Father's Day card for my babe, and she did some hearts. She wrote down, "You are the best dad ever," her name, and she put, "I love you." And then my son did him a card and it says Happy Father's Day, and then his name, Gavino. He knows his dad likes basketball and football, so he drew those. And he wrote, "You are the best dad ever." He bought him a bike, so he drew him a bike. And then he wrote, "I love you, Dad." Okay guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.